Welcome to the RECON Trader. In today's video, I thought I would share with you 3 of my top sniper targets that I will be buying today as the crypto market does appear to be selling off once again, and I want to take advantage of these lower prices on these sniper targets. Now, if you're not familiar with what my sniper targets are, they are basically long-range targets, and thus they are crypto assets I'm willing to hold for the long term, for instance the next 4 or 5 years, much like Cardano back in 2018 was one of my sniper targets. I scaled into Cardano over the next few years and ended up with an average price of around 3 cents per coin for Cardano. Well, we all know where that's at today. I have actually taken profit on some Cardano, still hold a pretty large position in Cardano, but that position has actually paid for itself. It's basically a free roll, and now I'm going to take some of those profits from Cardano and start scaling into some of my new sniper targets. So with that all being said, let's take a look at the first target. That first target is going to be Audius. Now, if you're not familiar with Audius, they are basically the blockchain version of Spotify. And before we go too much further, I do want to state this is for information, educational purposes only. You need to do your own recon on all these projects. I am not making any recommendations as far as buy or sell on these projects. I'm just sharing with you all what I'm actually doing. And so Audius is my first target, and we jump back over here to CoinGecko, and we can see once again crypto is selling off, and Audius is down around $1.26 or down about 8%. Now they have a market cap currently of around 200 million. And that is considered a small cap by all means. The trading volume is around 17 million a day. Their current market cap rank is 196, so they're still in the top 200. Their all-time high was almost $5. We're off about 74%. And much like most of the crypto industry, it took the big hit when Bitcoin sold off. It actually was able to recover, and we're down back to around where it had sold off. So this to me is a buying opportunity. And keep in mind, I will be looking at other opportunities in the future if we move into a bear market and be buying at lower prices. But the absolute last thing I want to do is buy at its all-time highs. We're off significantly from the all-time highs, so I'm comfortable taking a position right now in Audius. So to do so, I'm going to buy Audius on Binance, and you can see it's the Audio USDT pair, and I'm using my Bitscap trading terminal. This is the terminal I do a lot of my day trading on. And so right now I'm going to place a limit buy order, and I have that set at around $1.24, and I'm going to buy 1,000 of the Audio tokens. And I'm not setting up a take profit or a stop loss. Again, this is a sniper target, a long-range investment. This is not trading. This is an investment. Now my order has been placed, and now I just sit back and wait for that order to get filled. Now let's jump back over here to CoinGecko and take a look at the next crypto asset, and that is going to be RSR, which is the Reserve Rights Token. And just like the majority of the market today, it's currently down 8%. I currently hold some RSR, and I'm actually going to get a great chance to reduce my average price by buying around this level today. So again, long range target, this is investing, not trading, and I'm looking to scale into these positions, reducing my price along the way. And the fact I'm willing to hold these tokens for the next 4 or 5 years, I should have a lot of opportunities to build up a decent position, again, like I did in the past with Cardano. So if we look at the stats for the Reserve Right Token, or RSR, market cap rank is 122, so it's got a bigger market cap than Audius, but it's still, in my book, a small cap. Does have decent trading volume of 116 million a day. We are off almost 65% from its all-time high of 11 cents, almost 12 cents. And if we take a quick look at the chart, we can see the dump right along with Bitcoin and all the other crypto assets. It has bounced just like Bitcoin and the rest of the market, and now we're selling off again. And so I'm going to take advantage of this lower price to pick up quite a bit more of this particular token. Now again, I'm not going to dive into the project. I will do a future video on reserve rights where I really break this all down. Basically, it is a protocol to try to establish stable coins, and in the beginning it'll be centralized with the eventual move over to being decentralized. And with the future of crypto being decentralized, this token did grab my attention. I have done quite a bit of recon on this particular project, and a great tool for doing recon is the Masari website, and you can gain some valuable intel looking at the Coinbase Ventures portfolio. You'll see they actually hold audio, and so that could lead to a future listing on Coinbase. And they also hold the RSR token, or the reserve rights token. And so again, that could lead to a listing on Coinbase. So I actually have intel that Coinbase holds these tokens in their portfolio. I can also jump over to the Grayscale projects that they're considering, and they're also considering reserve rights. So now I have Coinbase and Grayscale, big players in this market, at least either holding or looking at holding the RSR tokens. And so again, I can't stress enough, you also hear me say it at the end of every video, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. So you need to do your own recon. And another great portfolio to take a look at when you're doing your recon would be Pantera Capital. And you can see they hold Audius. I don't think they hold RSR. They do not hold RSR, but they do hold audio. And so those are three valuable sources of intel on whether these coins are being held by bigger institutions. Now let's go buy some of these tokens. And so I'll buy these tokens over on OKX. And so I have RSR USDT. I'm going to buy 10,000 of the RSR token. So we'll submit a buy order. And so the order got filled pretty much instantly. And now I'm holding just over 17,000 RSR tokens. And again, I want to stress, this is investing, not trading. I will hold this token for more than likely the next 4 years, unless it had some kind of insane parabolic move up. Now let's jump back over to CoinGecko and take a look at the third and final sniper target for today, and that's going to be VeChain, VET. It is by all means a large cap target. It has just over a 7 billion market cap. Its daily trading volume's around 2 billion, so it's very liquid, easy to get in and out of. Its market cap rank is in the top 20. Its all-time high was around 28 cents, and today we're looking to pick it up probably around 10 cents a coin. I do actually trade VeChain on a regular basis. I'm very familiar with its price action, but during this bull market, I have been buying and actually selling off VET and then reaccumulating each time it would move lower. So I continue to stockpile VET. However, I'm not afraid to take profits on VET during this bull market, knowing full well the coming bear market will give me opportunities to use those profits and buy VET at lower prices. But today I see VET at a lower price, and I'm going to take a shot at VET. Now, if you're not familiar with VeChain, I highly recommend you hop over to their website and do a ton of recon. They have a very detailed white paper, but for just a quick overview, again, I will do a future video on VeChain. Their main use case or objective is basically supply chain management. And they have some pretty big name players already utilizing their blockchains. This is a live and functioning blockchain. VeChain has been around for quite a while. I've been familiar with them for years now. And obviously it's a project that I'm willing to take a shot on for the long-term growth opportunity. So with that being said, I'm actually going to buy some VeChain today through my Exodus wallet, and at some point I'll more than likely either take it off to cold storage or send it to a platform like Celsius to earn interest on these particular coins. And so I'll use the exchange button on Exodus, and I'll be trading USDT, and today I'll be looking to pick up 10,000 VET, and so I click exchange. And so the exchange is in progress, and I'll be receiving my 10,000 VET, and it looks like my cost will be right around 10 or 11 cents after fees. And before I close out the video, we'll take a quick look over here at the Bitscap trading terminal. And it does look like I picked up the 1,000 audio tokens, so now I have those secured in the portfolio as well. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. I just actually wanted to do a quick video, and I'm well beyond that at this point. But I wanted to share with you kind of a behind-the-scenes look at some of my sniper targets. I do a lot of trading, but I also do a lot of investing as well. So if you like the video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you want to see future videos on sniper targets, I suggest you shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on those videos. And in the end, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.